channel, Shikha in Korea. My name is Shikha and I am a 2024 GKS graduate scholar in Seoul Tech, Seoul National University of Science and Technology, and my major is data science. In today's video, I will be talking about how I wrote my statement of purpose and what are the points you should keep in mind while writing it. So let's get started. As the GKS undergraduate program for a scholarship is already open, so this video might be very helpful for you. So if you like it, please share with your friends and subscribe it for more information. So let's get started.
Okay, so here I have opened a GKS guideline form 2, which is particularly for personal statement. Here everything is mentioned, what you have to keep in mind while writing. So here as you can see, your draft should be either in English or Korean, and it should be single spaced within 3 pages. So do not write up to more than 3 pages. Try to cover it within 2.5 pages. Okay, and with font time and font family, actually it's a font times new, which is font family, and font size should be 11. So make sure you are keeping these things in point, like in viewpoint, because mostly what happens when people write, they forget about the font family and font size. They mostly focus on the content what they are writing. So after your final draft, when you are submitting, make sure you are again going through the guideline, and so that nothing will be missed. Okay, so you can see, first point they have mentioned as motivation with which you apply for this program. So here it is like not for GKS, the motivation for your program, department, your major, what you are going through. In my case, I have a data science, so written my motivation why I want to go with data science, and then after education background. So just after your motivation, you can sweep in your education background, which will again add up in your motivation that you have a background and you want to go with this. If you have a different background, like you have different major in bachelor and you want to go with different in your masters, uh, like if you're going for a master program, then this scenario comes. Otherwise, if you're going for your bachelor programs, you can write your motivation accordingly, and education background you can mention. Then after significant experience you have had, a person or events that had significant influence on you. So significant experience is like if you have a work experience you can mention, or if you have any skill certificate you can mention. So in my case, I had a work experience, so I have added those. But if you are adding your work experience, if you're writing that you have a work experience in your personal statement, you have to give a proof, like supplement document you have to submit. So in my case, I had submitted my work experience. Okay. So the person or events that had a significant influence in you is like of any person or any event which has inspired you to go with this program. You can mention those things. In my case, I have mentioned Mr. Vimal Daga. Later on, when I will show my personal statement, so there I will be discussing these things. Okay. So now after that, if you, and here it is mentioned as if applicable, describe award you have received, publication you have made, or a skill you have acquired, etc. So here, like let's say if you have participated in social work, any volunteership, any skills, like you have any certificate in any skills, like in my case I had a certificate for Python, SQL, backend technologies, so I have added submitted those things. So if like this, if you have any certificate, you should mention it. Okay, this gives you additional points sometime, or at least this gives you uh, points to show that okay, you have this, you have worked here also, you have this experience also. So it total and all, it describes about you. So if you have anything, make sure to add it. Okay. So I have discussed the point which already given in GKS guideline. You have to write accordingly. So now I am going to show my personal statement which I have submitted in the GKS program. But before that, I'm telling you, please do not copy it. Okay? Because every personal statement should tells about you, what is your history, what is your background, what is your motivation. So write on your own. I am sharing it just for the sample purpose, like how you should start. Okay, so make sure you are not copying it. Otherwise, maybe you're not maybe for sure your application will be rejected if you're copying it. Just take a sample, just take a hint how to write, and then write your own. Just write more about you, because when you're writing it, when the people and the instructor, when who is reading it, he should be interrogate like what they should get to know more about you. They should feel like to, okay, let's see what this person has written, what is his history. Okay, so please do not copy it. So here I am sharing my personal statement which I have submitted in the GKS application, and here I have mentioned both my major, artificial intelligence and data science, as I wanted to pursue either artificial intelligence or data science. So first I had applied by embassy track, but unfortunately I couldn't make it by embassy, so I tried again by university track. So, but in both the track, I have shared the same personal statement. So let's start. I have started with quote, which I personally inspired of, written by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and after that I have started from the motivation why I want to go with master in data science. So here it is. As an aspiring artificial intelligence or data science professional, I am applying for this program driven by a deep passion and genuine interest in this field. My motivation stem from a desire to develop deeper into specialized areas such as machine learning, data mining, and natural processing, and to explore cutting edge research topic with these domain. I am eager to collaborate with esteemed faculty member and fellow scholars to contribute to the advancement of knowledge in the field and address pressing technology challenges. Overall, my motivation lies in the opportunity to further enhance my knowledge and expertise in AI or data science, and to make a meaningful contribution to the field through academic study and research. So mainly I chose South Korea because South Korea is a leading country in technology. So, and I wanted to work with the researchers and professors to learn more. Okay, so this is the motivation. Just after that, I am adding my education background. My academic trajectory has exposed me to diverse subjects like skills such as Python, C programming, database management, software development, and statistical analysis, which has equipped me with a solid foundation for pursuing AI. I have taught myself programming languages such as Java, Python, and R, and learned to implement them to solve complex problems and generate meaningful insights from data. Throughout my undergraduate studies in information technology, I have gained a vast understanding of many subjects which align with my primary interest area. According to my interaction with applied statistics experts, I discovered that machine learning is a derivative of statistics. Through my academic trajectory, I have gained invaluable experience, particularly in research, which has enhanced my problem solving skills and helped me to become a critical thinker. My academic performance and experience in various internship and research projects further highlight my commitment to exploring the potential of AI in the field of technology. So here, with my education background, I have whatever I have learned while studying, I have mentioned those things particularly, and with that also I am keeping a sense of motivation that in the graduation what I learned and why I want to pursue further. Okay, so after that, you can see during the undergraduate studies, I was involved in an academic project which revolved around the development of a machine learning algorithm that could accurately project customer behavior and performance preference based on their past purchase history. I refined the algorithm and utilized Python libraries like skip-learn and TensorFlow. Our efforts resulted in a highly accurate predictive model, enhancing business decision making, engaging in continuous learning, and I depended my understanding of machine learning methodologies. This experience solidified my passion for AI, potential in solving real world challenges, motivating me to pursue further contribution in the field. So, in my education background, I have mentioned the skills and the projects, and based on the project, why I want to further go with this. Okay. So here on the fourth and fifth paragraph, I have mentioned my work experience and extracurriculum activities. So let's read it. After completing my degree, I embarked on a fulfilling career as a software developer. My journey thus far has been characterized as by an unwavering commitment to technologies and its potential for positive change. As a BSc IT graduate, I have cultivated a comprehensive understanding of fundamentals and artificial intelligence or data science, which have which has been further augmented by my thriving career as a software developer. Over the past 3 years in this role, I have contributed to the design, development, quality assurance, and implementation of diverse software solutions This experience has honed my problem solving skills, deepened my appreciation for efficient coding practice, and kindled my curiosity about the broader implications of technology with a practical perspective on the real world application of information technology. In addition to my academic and professional pursuit, I have actively engaged in extracurricular activities to broaden my horizon and contribute to society. In addition to being an active member of the National Service Scheme (NSS) for 2 years, where I participated in community service initiatives aimed at promoting education and digital literacy. I have also actively participated in youth festival and events related to AI or data science. This experience have further developed my leadership, teamwork, and interpersonal skills while also gaining a deeper appreciation for the transformative power of technology in uplifting underprivileged communities. So this is here I have according to this I had also an SS certificate, so I have submitted that also. So let's proceed. Okay, so after adding my motivation, education background, uh, experiences, social activities, volunteer work, I have mentioned here the person details or event details who has influenced me to pursue my career further. So let's start. Mr. Vimal Daga, a world record holder, founder, and a CEO of Linux World Informatics Technology, has been a significant influence in my life. Witnessing his dedication to the field of information technology and his exceptional accomplishments, such as creating a world record with 1200 plus Red Hat certified professionals in just 1 month, has been truly inspiring. Mr. Daga's passion, expertise, and commitment to empowering individuals through technology have motivated me to strive for the excellence and continuously pushing me to the boundaries of my own potential. I have also cultivated a diverse skill set that complements my academic and professional background. I am proficient in programming languages such as Java, Python, C, C++, and many other scripting languages like React.js, AngularJS, Node.js, and AWS as well. I'm also familiar with a variety of software development tools and technologies. I have leveraged these skills to develop scalable and efficient software solutions. These skills have not only equipped me with the versatile toolkit, but have also fostered a passion for staying at the forefront of technological advancement. My motivation to pursue further studies under the GKS stems from a deep desire to advance my knowledge and expertise in artificial intelligence or data science. By undertaking a master degree, I aim to delve deeper into specialized areas such as machine learning, data mining, and natural language processing, and explore cutting edge research topic. Additionally, I am eager to collaborate with esteemed faculty member and fellow scholars to contribute to the advancement of technology in the field and address the pressing technological challenges. I envision a future where AI powered system can constantly monitor our network and system for signs of attacks and can automatically take steps to mitigate these threats. I believe that this kind of technology could make out world a safer place. If granted the chance to be a part of this scholarship program, I am committed to positively impacting the academic community and society at large. I intend to actively engage in my research endeavors that push the boundaries of knowledge, undertake innovative projects that address real world problems, and leverage my skills and expertise to contribute to the development and implementation of sustainable and impactful solution. In conclusion, I am wholeheartedly dedicated to furthering my education, contributing to the field of information technology, and making a positive difference in the world. The GKS program aligns perfectly with my academic and professional aspirations, and I am grateful for the opportunity to be considered for the esteemed scholarship. Thank you for your time and consideration. So, yeah, it's completed. And on the same page, you have to mention your name, your signature, and the date. Okay, so this is all completed. So, I have taken almost 1 month to complete this, personal statement. Basically, I used to like keep one point, and I used to write about the motivation first. Then I have written education background, like that I have completed, and I have shared as many drafts to my professor, to my colleagues, to my friends to further review. So same way you can do it. You can prepare a draft. At first it will be a difficult, it will not be completed, but start writing it, and gradually you'll be able to finish it. Okay.
Okay, so if you like the video, please share with other GKS aspirants or any other students who is planning to abroad study. They can take a hint of how to write a statement of purpose. And along with that, if you like it, the content, subscribe it for more. And in the next video, I will be talking about how to write a study plan for the GKS application. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching.